Hello, my friends. Nick here with freedomlifebusiness.com. Hope all is well with you and yours. Welcome to the world of digital marketing and online marketing. If you're looking or have been thinking about jumping into this exciting, very rewarding field, then you've come to the right place. It can be a very overwhelming task to try to figure out where to go and what to do and try to figure out the ins, the outs. It can make your head spin, okay? When researching which company to partner up with, you'll want to pay close attention to what they offer in terms of commission rates and the support they provide. All right? So each company will vary in the amount of commission they offer. So do your research and compare the companies you're interested in. Similarly, some will offer more support than others, so ask yourself how much help and guidance you need. The price of entry is also an important factor to consider. Investing in the digital marketing program can be a big decision, and it's not always an affordable option for everyone. It's important to find a program that fits your budget as well as your goals. It's also important to determine whether the program offers a residual income or a high-ticket item. Residual income is one that will continue to pay you month after month for something you did once. I myself prefer residual, so that way I earn month after month, year after year. In conclusion, like any career field, it's important to do your research before committing to a program. Make sure you understand the different types of commissions available, the level of support, and the cost of entry. Taking the time to investigate your options now can save you from costly mistakes down the road. Good luck with your digital marketing journey. The company I partner up with pays 80% straight commission, which is unheard of in the industry. And we provide 12 live masterminds a week to support you in your endeavor. Take a look at my website above here, freedomlifebusiness.com, and opt in for more information. I'm looking forward to helping you, and I hope to see you on the other side. Remember to always go for your dreams. Stay healthy, my friends. God bless.